everyone. Our topic for mathematics today is all about solid figures. In this module, we will be tackling about solid figures and its parts. We will also be differentiating solid figures from plane figures. First, let us have a drill. What is this figure? A. Pentagon, B. Hexagon, C. Decagon. The answer is B. Hexagon. Next, how about this? A. Oval, B. Circle, C. Sphere. The answer is C. Sphere. Third figure, is this A. Square, B. Cube, or C. Rectangle? The answer is B. Cube. For the fourth figure, A. Heptagon, B. Octagon, or C. Nonagon? The answer is heptagon. For the last figure, we have here A. Rectangle, B. Oval, or C. Cylinder? Letter C. Cylinder. Collecting all figures, what can you observe? There are three 3D shaped figures and two 2D shaped figures. Let us define both figures. So recalling your Mathematics 5, what is a plane figure? It is a geometric figure that has no thickness. A plane figure can be composed of segments, curves, or a combination of two. An example can be seen on the right side. We have here a triangle, circle, square, and a rectangle. So next, what is a solid figure? Solid figures are three-dimensional figures that have length, width, and height. You can see examples on the right side. We will be knowing more of this later. First, let us see what is the difference between the plane figures and solid figures. So plane figures, as I have mentioned earlier, is a two-dimensional figure which has a length and a width. And for solid figures, three-dimensional figure that has a length, width, and height. Let us know more about the common figures. We have here a cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid, and a cube. Let us begin with the cube and cuboid. A cube and a cuboid has a flat surface called a face. The one where two faces meet at a line figure is called an edge. Three or more edges meet at a point called vertex. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces for a cuboid and a cube. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges for the two figures. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 vertices in a cube and a cuboid. Do you know what are the examples of cubes and cuboids? So for cubes, we have here the famous Rubik's Cube and a fragile box. For cuboids, we have a brick and a microwave. Going back to the common solid figures, since we are done with cube and cuboid, let us proceed with a cylinder and a cone. Listen carefully so we won't have to repeat these anymore. A cylinder has 1 and 2 flat circular surface, while a cone only has a 1 flat circular surface. For its curved circular surface, both the cylinder and the cone have 1 circular surface. For the edges, there are 2 circular edges for a cylinder and only 1 for a cone. As you can observe, there is no vertex for a cylinder, but there is 1 for a cone. Let us go to the examples. For cylinders, it includes a Coke can and a tissue roll. So for cones, we have here a party horn and a party hat. So again, going back to the solid figures, we are done with the cuboid and earlier the cylinder and the cone. We will now proceed to the sphere. For a sphere only has a curved circular surface, no circular edge, no flat circular surface. I repeat, a sphere only has a curved circular surface, no circular edge, and no flat circular surface. Examples of sphere: soccer ball or any ball like basketball, volleyball, a globe, and a Christmas ball. So these are things to remember. Face, also known as sides. For example, a cube or a cuboid has 6 faces. Edge is where faces meet, and vertex is a point where 2 or more edges meet. Flat circular surface are flat faces for circular objects like cone, cylinder, and sphere. Curved circular surface is a rounded surface which is not flat. And a circular edge are edges for circular objects like cone, cylinder, and sphere. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.